Most people watch the riders, but the secret to understanding a bike race is actually watching the road.
Have you ever watched a race and felt like it's just a colorful blur? You know what drafting feels like, but on TV, the tactics just feel incredibly slippery.
Let's fix that. You don't need to memorize the rulebook. Here is the framework I give my friends to anchor themselves when they start watching.
First, broadcasts show the effect before the cause. If the peloton suddenly looks nervous and starts fighting for position, a crosswind, a climb, or a narrow corner is coming.
Different stages ask you to look at different things. You have to change your lens. Let's compare a flat sprint day to a brutal mountain stage.
Take a flat day, like Tour de France 2024 Stage 3. It looks like a casual ride. The trick isn't watching for attacks, it's watching teams organize their sprinters.
Next is the time gap, the actual heartbeat of the race. The peloton knows exactly how fast they can catch a breakaway. If it's under 2 minutes, they're in control. But occasionally, they miscalculate, and that's the tension. Also, look at who is working. You know from your own weekend rides that pulling in the wind absolutely hurts.
The riders who want to win are doing everything possible to hide. If a favorite is spending time with their nose in the wind early, something has gone wrong. Then there are one-day races. Milano-Sanremo 2024 was 288 kilometers long and still came down to a 4-man sprint. In the classics, the route itself is the main character.
Look at the Tour of Flanders. In 2026, the men hit the brutal Oude Quaremont 3 times. The race isn't chaotic. It revolves entirely around these known, painful pinch points. The mistake most people make is waiting for the finish. In Tour de France 2024 Stage 11, Vingegaard and Pogacar tied after 211 kilometers. The thrill was the attrition. Start small. Pick a race and just practice looking for the wind, the gap, and who is hiding. Here are 3 distinct highlights to watch this weekend. Stop watching the riders and watch the race.